Okay, this is a video to tell everybody about the errors that the PlayStation, the first original PlayStation, has. A lot of everybody is having the problem with the YLOD, the yellow light of death, and we fixed that with just reflowing the board with a hairdryer or heat gun. I've done this 4 times probably. I'm kind of tired of doing it. First mod I did was remove the grill from the back of the PlayStation, where the actual exhaust comes from the fan. But as I was looking, I was noticing that the real problem here is not the flow out, it's the flow in. It's the intake of the fan, as you notice it's here. That's actually where the fan pulls its intake, and it blows it out to here, to these grills. Problem is, if you notice on the PlayStation that when you set the board in there, we're doing this without the board, obviously. When you set the frame in there, you'll notice it seals completely all the way around. Okay, they have these holes up here. I mean, really, I don't know what the point is. That's to help heat when it rises, but it has no effect as far as where the fan can pull air from. The only place it can pull air from is here, right there. It's these, I don't know, probably 10 holes there, maybe 20 holes at the slits. The fan, when it is, if you guys can see this, is completely shut. Like I said, it's sealed. If you're sealed completely, the board sits on top. It gives you another extra seal. Then you got the other frame that goes on top. You're pretty much sealing the whole board in. It's really not. It has nowhere to pull air from. So this is PlayStation's screw up. As you see here, that's actually where the power connector would go. That blocks that hole as well. I'm going to go ahead and do this mod. What I'm going to do is, since there's really nowhere to pull from, if you notice, the fan actually lays along this piece here, and it's kind of got a ledge on it right here. What I'm going to do, since the fan has really nowhere to pull from, I mean, even from the front here, I could put some grills, some intakes there, but it's you know, that's going to kind of look ugly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill some holes through here, so the fan can actually pull from the bottom, which will have, like I said, that little ledge, pull through there, so you'll have some more intake. The fan just really has nowhere to pull air from. So I'm going to go ahead and do that mod, show you guys a few things on how I did that, and I'll get back with you. I don't know if you guys can see us. There's a bottom ledge here where the fan actually can pull from. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill some holes through that side, and just let you guys know I'm not going to be responsible for your PlayStation if you do this. So just let you know. We're just going to drill some holes to that ledge there. Nothing too big, just centered small bit will be just fine. And I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. Like I said, I'm going to drill some tiny holes through there. Alright, let's see if I can get this. Try not to make you guys dizzy. The lighting's not very well here, so I'm going to do the best I can to get you started here. Alright. Alright, first hole. Okay. I'm going to do these in spaces. about 2-inch spaces. I don't know if you guys can see that. See the 2 holes there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and continue drilling on, and pick up where I left off. To the front here, as you see, I'm going to go ahead and just put probably about 5 holes to the front. I'm going to go ahead and show you that. There's the same ledge. Continues on. Just wrap around there. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alright, so I went ahead and got my holes drilled. As you can see, it's 5. I mean, it doesn't even look that bad. I mean, it just almost kind of looks like it was supposed to be there. But got a few more here. Went ahead and put more there. As far as the back's not even going to matter because you're going to have the exhaust blowing out to there. That's going to be sealed anyway. So, okay, so we got, like I said, we got the holes in there. I suggest, I mean, it is plastic, so you're going to have that burr of plastic on the holes. All I recommend is getting a Phillips head screwdriver. Just putting it in the hole, kind of just spin it a little bit. That'll kind of knock your burr off. That way you don't have any shards of plastic in there. And it really doesn't take much. Go ahead and do that all the way around. Do it from the inside too. Just blow it out. Maybe you've got compressed air. You know, I'm doing old school and blowing it by mouth. So I'll pick up after I go ahead and flow the board. Okay, we've successfully flowed the board. I'm going to go ahead and put it up. Alright. Okay, so everything's looking good. Get the holes in. I'm going to show you the actual suction for how good the flow is now, and I'll show you how you do that with a lighter here. If you watch, the flame will actually be pulled in. I recommend being really careful when you do this. Don't want to melt your PlayStation. You can see that it's pulling flame in. Okay, so it's got a good flow now, and that should keep it cool. Thanks for watching.